A car.
A very old car. Hi, my name is Lucas.
Hi, I am Lucas as well.
And this is Monkey English for school. We are going by car.
I am driving.
Lucas, slowly. And now, turn left.
Okay.
Okay. Stop. Now, turn off the engine.
I am turning the engine off. These are wheels. This is a mirror. These are doors. And these are seats.
This is a tank. Lucas, open the tank. Ooh.
You can tank petrol here.
This is the engine. Lucas, start the engine.
Okay.
This is the engine. Lucas, stop!
This is a crossroad. Red, you must stop.
Orange,
Ready?
green,
You can go.
this is a zebra crossing. Green,
You can go. Red, I must stop.
this is a bus stop. We are waiting for a bus.
Bus 36. This is a bus.
A bus number 36.
A trolley bus is coming. Come on. This is a ticket.
We are going by trolley bus. This is a special crossroad.
A roundabout.
Direction, Telch. This is a road!
This is a traffic sign.
And Lucas is going on the right. There is an accident.
2 cars in a crash.
Do you have an accident and you need help?
You can call the police, the ambulance, or fire brigade.
Fire brigade. Call 150.
This is a fire brigade's car. The typical color is red.
This is the ambulance.
The ambulance is helping people.
Call 155. This is the police car.
158. It's 158.
Yes, police number.
The helicopter is returning from the accident. This is a helicopter.
I'm sitting in a helicopter. This is a place for a pilot. This is the airport. And these are airplanes. This is a lorry. And these are boxes.
This is an excavator.
Every small boy likes the excavator. This is a train. Where is the train going?
The train is going to another station.
I'm riding my motorbike. I'm riding downhill. I'm riding uphill.
I am hitchhiking. Hello?
Hello.
Can I go with you?
Go, come on. This is a highway.
Lucas, there is the petrol station. This is a petrol station.
You can tank the petrol.
Wait. Petrol?
Or diesel. I'm waiting for a tram. This is a tram.
Imagine and repeat.
A car. A wheel. A mirror. A door. Seeds. Bank. Engine. A crossroad. A zebra crossing. A bus stop. A bus. A trolleybus. A ticket. A roundabout. A road. A traffic sign. An accident. Hitchhike. A motorbike. A helicopter. An airport. An airplane. A train. A lorry. An excavator. Downhill. Uphill. A highway. A tram. A petrol station. Diesel and petrol. An ambulance. A fire brigade. What are you missing? What is it? Yes. Police. A police car.